Gaining weight in a healthy and controlled manner is a goal that often requires as much dedication and planning as weight loss. Whether you're looking to build muscle mass, recover from an illness, or achieve a healthier weight, a well-structured weight gain diet can make all the difference. This comprehensive guide is designed to provide beginners with detailed insights into the critical components of a successful weight gain journey. 1. Understand your caloric needs. Before diving into a weight gain diet, it's essential to understand your daily caloric requirements. Online calculators can provide an estimate, but consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist is highly recommended for more personalized advice. This initial step lays the foundation for tailoring your diet to your needs. 2. Embrace nutrient-dense foods. Focus on incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet. These include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods ensures you receive a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting your weight gain goals and overall health. 3. Increase protein intake. Protein is a cornerstone for muscle building and repair. Aim to include protein-rich foods in every meal. Sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh should be staples in your diet. Supplementing with protein shakes or smoothies can be convenient, especially for those with higher protein requirements. 4. Eat frequently. Rather than relying on 3 large meals, aim for 5 to 6 smaller, well-balanced meals throughout the day. This approach helps maintain a consistent influx of nutrients and calories, preventing energy dips. Incorporating snacks between meals, such as nuts, yogurt, cheese, and fruits, ensures a continuous energy supply. 5. Choose healthy fats. Include healthy fats in your diet to increase caloric density. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish are excellent sources of healthy fats. Adding a dollop of nut butter to your morning toast or incorporating avocado into your salads and sandwiches are easy ways to boost your caloric intake. 6. Include complex carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are excellent choices. Starchy vegetables such as sweet potatoes and legumes also provide a rich source of complex carbohydrates, aiding overall caloric increase. 7. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for overall health, even during a weight gain. Water and other hydrating beverages should be consumed regularly throughout the day. Avoid excessive water intake just before meals to ensure you maintain an appetite for your calorie-dense meals. 8. Incorporate strength training exercises. Combine your weight gain diet with a structured strength training program. Consult a fitness professional to develop a workout plan for your fitness level and goals. Strength training supports weight gain and promotes lean muscle development, contributing to a well-balanced physique. 9. Monitor progress and adjust. Keep a detailed record of your weight gain progress. Regularly reassess your caloric needs and adjust your diet plan accordingly. If progress is slower than anticipated, consider increasing portions or adding more calorie-dense foods to your meals. Flexibility and adaptability are critical to a successful weight gain journey. Conclusion. As a beginner, engaging on a weight gain journey requires commitment, patience, and a well-structured plan. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, increasing caloric intake strategically, and incorporating strength training exercises, beginners can achieve healthy weight gain. Remember, the key is to make gradual, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is highly recommended for personalized guidance if you have any underlying health concerns or specific dietary requirements. With dedication and consistency, achieving a healthier weight can become a reality.